In this video, I will show how to remove recent file in Microsoft Excel. Recent files in Microsoft Excel. So click on File. Here we can see a list of recent files. If you want to remove and you want to disable to show this list of recent files, so here click on Options. So File and Options. Click on Advanced. Underneath Display, you will see the option Show this number of recent workbooks. So here make 0. Then click on OK. Now reopen your Excel. So as we can see now, all recent files are hidden. So this is the setting to remove and hide recent files in Excel. Thanks for watching.